Hello everyone.
So
Today,
welcome
welcome
to
to
my
my
comprehensive
comprehensive
Java
Java
and
and
Spring
Spring
Boot
Boot
learning
learning
session.
session.
Today
Today,
I
I
am
am
excited
excited
to
to
take
take
you
you
through
through
a
a
complete
complete
journey
journey
from
from
the
the
fundamentals
fundamentals
of
of
core
core
Java
Java
to
to
building
sophisticated
sophisticated Spring
Spring
Boot
Boot
applications.
applications.
So
So
this
this
is
is not
not
just
just
not
not this is not
just
just
theory
theory. I will be showing you real-world
applications
applications
and
and
demonstrating
demonstrating
how
how
these
these
concepts
concepts
come
come
together
together
in
in
modern
modern
software
software
development.
development.
So
So
let
let
me
me
start
start
by
by
sharing
sharing
my
my
learning
learning
approach.
approach.
So
The
the
first
first
part
part
one
one
is
is
I
I'll
will
try
try
to
to
cover
cover
about
about
is
is
core
core
Java
Java
fundamentals.
fundamentals.
So
So
first
first
let
let
me
me
tell
tell
you
you
what
what
is
is
Java.
Java.
Java
Java
is
is
an
an object-oriented
object-oriented programming
programming
language.
language.
Java
Java
is
is
an object-oriented
object-oriented
programming
programming
language
language
developed
developed
by
by
mm, Sun Microsystem.
ecosystem.
1991,
1991,
1995.
1995.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Now
Now
it
it
is
is
owned
owned
by
by
Oracle.
Oracle.
Okay. So it
It
is
is
a
a
platform
platform
independent.
independent.
This is the
The
main
main
thing
thing
of
of
Java.
Java
We need
need
to
to
tell
tell
in
in our
our
interview.
interview. Java
Java
is
is
platform
platform
independent.
independent.
Okay.
Okay.
Um,
Um,
Next thing
in
is
it,
so
so
meaning
meaning
of
of
platform
platform
independent
independent
means
means
Java
Java
products
products
can
can
run
run
on
on
can
can
run
run
on
on
any
any
device
device.
that has
Just
JVM.
create.
That has
That's
a
it.
JVM
JVM
stand
stand
for
for
Java
Java
Virtual
Virtual
Machine.
Machine.
Okay. So
The
next
next
thing
thing
is
is
um,
there
there are
are
certain
certain
key
key
features
features
of
of
Java.
Java.
So
So
Java
Java
is a
is a
platform
platform
independent
independent
and
and
it
it
is
is
fully
fully
object
object
oriented.
oriented.
Everything
Everything
is
is
an
an
object
object
in
in
Java.
Java.
So
So
it
it
is
is
secure,
secure,
built-in
built-in
security
security
features,
features,
and
and
it
it
is
is
a robust
robust
system.
system.
Robust
Robust
means
means
strong
strong
memory
memory
management
management
and
and
exception
exception
handling,
handling,
and
and
it
it
is
is
multi-threaded.
multi-threaded. It means
It
it
is
is
support
support
for
for
concurrent
concurrent
programming
programming
language.
language,
Concurrent
concurrent
programming.
programming.
So
So
next
next
thing
thing
is
is
uh, Java
Java
architecture.
architecture.
Mm, So
So
let me
let me
show
show
you
you
how
how
Java
Java
works.
works.
So
So
when
when
you
you
write the
write a
Java
Java
code,
code,
it
it
goes
goes
through
through
several
several
stages.
stages.
So
So
the
the
first
first
stage
stage
is
is
source
source
code,
code,
dot
dot
Java
Java
file.
file.
The second
Second
stage
stage
is
is
compilation,
compilation,
dot
dot um,
class
class
file.
file.
So third
Third
one
one
is
is
bytecode,
bytecode,
platform
platform
independent,
independent,
platform
platform
independent,
independent,
intermediate
intermediate
code,
code,
intermediate,
intermediate,
intermediate
intermediate
code.
code.
And the fourth
Fourth
one
one
is
is
JVM,
JVM,
Java
Java
Virtual
Virtual
Machine
Machine
executes
executes
the
the
bytecode.
bytecode.
Okay.
Okay.
So
So
next
next
thing
thing
is
is
um, object-oriented
object-oriented
programming
programming
in
in
Java.
Java.
So
So
OOPS
OOPS
is
is
the
the
heart
heart
of
of
Java.
Java.
So
So
let
let
me
me
break
break
down
down
the
the
core
core
fundamental
fundamental
principles
principles
of
of
OOPS.
OOPS.
Uh, OOPS
OOPS
principles.
principles.
OOPS principles. There
There
are
are
uh, four
four
fundamental
fundamental
principles
principles
in
in
Java.
Java.
So
So
the
the
first
first
one
one
is
is
encapsulation. Encapsulation.
encapsulation.
So
So
encapsulation
encapsulation
is
is
the
the
bundling
bundling
of
of
data
data
and
and
methods
methods
that
that
operate
operate
on
on
the
the
data
data
within
within
a
a
single
single
unit
unit
or
or
object.
object.
I am
I'm
repeating.
repeating.
Encapsulation
Encapsulation
is
is
the
the
bundling.
bundling.
Encapsulation
Encapsulation
is the
the
bundling
bundling
of
of
data
data
and
and
method
method.
methods.
And
Encapsulation
encapsulation
is
is
the
the
bundling
bundling
of
of
data
data
and
and
methods
methods
that
that
operate
operate
on
on
that
and that data
within
within
a
a single unit
of
of object.
object.
Okay?
So
So
encapsulation
encapsulation
is
is
the
the
bundling
bundling
of
of
data
data
and
and
methods
methods
that
that
operate
operate
on
on
the
the
data
data
within
within
a
a
single
single
unit
unit
or
or
object.
object.
So
So
it's
it's
like
like
a
a
protective
protective
wrapper
wrapper
that
that
keeps
keeps
the
the
code
code
and
and
data
data
safe
safe
from
from
object.
object.
It's
It's
like
like
a
a
protective
protective
wrapper
wrapper
that keeps
keeps
the
the
code
code
and
and
data
data
safe
safe
from
from
outside outside
outside
interference.
interference.
Main
Main
point
point.
which you
You
need
need
to
to
remember.
remember.
Okay.
Okay.
The second
Second
one
one
is
is
inheritance.
inheritance.
So inheritance
Inheritance
means
means
inheritance
inheritance
allows
allows
a
a
class
class
to
to
inherit
inherit
properties
properties
and
and
behave methods
methods
from
from
the
the
another
another
class.
class.
Inheritance,
Inheritance
it
it
allows
allows
a
a
class
class
to
to
inherit
inherit
methods
methods
and
and
properties
properties
and
and
methods
methods
from
from
another
other
class.
class.
Okay,
Okay, it's
very
very
important
important
point
point
we
we
need
need
to
to
remember.
remember.
And
And
so it
it
promotes,
promotes
why
why
we
we
have
have
inheritance.
inheritance.
It
It
promotes
promotes
code
code
reusability
reusability
and
and
establishes
establishes
relationship
relationship
between
between
two
two
classes,
classes,
parent
parent
and
and
child
child
classes.
classes.
Okay.
Okay,
Next, that
that
one
one
is
is
polymorphism.
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 So
So
polymorphism
polymorphism
means
means
meaning
meaning
in
in
single
single
English
English
word
word
many
many
forms.
forms.
It
It
allows
allows
objects
objects
to
to
be
be
treated
treated
as
as
instances
instances
of
of
the
the
parent
parent
class
class
while
while
maintaining
maintaining a own unique
implementations.
implementations.
So what
So
do
what
you
do you
understand?
understand?
So polymorphism
Polymorphism
means
means
many
many
forms
forms
in
in
single English
English
word.
word.
It
It
allows
allows
objects
objects
to
to
be
be
treated
treated
as
as
instances
instances
of
of
the
the
parent
parent
class
class
while
while
maintaining
maintaining
their
their
own
own
unique
unique
implementations.
implementations.
So when
When
we
we
do
do
coding,
coding,
that
that
time
time
we
we
could
could
understand
understand
about
about
the
the
polymorphism
polymorphism
very
very
clearly.
clearly.
So
So I'm
repeating
repeating
polymorphism,
polymorphism.
it
It
allows
allows
objects,
objects,
it
it
allows
allows
objects
objects
to
to
be
be
treated
treated
as
as
instances
instances
of
of
their
their
parent
parent
class.
class.
It
It
allows
allows
object
object
to
to
be
be
treated
treated
as
as
instances
instances
of
of
their
their
parent
parent
class
class
while
while
maintaining
maintaining
their
their
own
own
unique
unique
implementations.
implementations.
The
The
fourth
fourth
one
one
is
is
abstractions.
abstractions.
Track.
Right. So,
So abstraction
abstracting
is
it
very simple.
simply,
So abstraction
abstraction
it
it
hides
hides
the
the
complex
complex
implementation
implementation
details
details
and
and
shows
shows
only
only
the
the
necessary
necessary
details.
details.
So abstract
Abstract
classes
classes
and
and
interfaces
interfaces
are
are
used
used
to
to
achieve
achieve
abstraction.
abstraction. Um,
So abstraction
abstraction
hides
hides
complex
complex
implementations
implementations,
implementation
implementation
details
details,
and
and
shows
shows
only
only
necessary
necessary
features.
features.
Okay.
Okay?
Abstract
Abstract
classes
classes
and
and
interface
interface
are
are
used
used
to
to
show
show
are
are
used
used
to
to
achieve
achieve
traction.
traction.
Tra- okay.
Okay?
So
So
let's
let's
do
do
a
a
small
small
demo
demo
about
about
the
the
about this
this
Java
Java
groups.
group.
So
So
let's
let's
create
create
Java
uh,
Java
Java
project.
project.
Name
name
it
it
as
as hook
going to finish
widget
post
search. I'm going to name it as
encapsulation.
encapsulation.
Let's create a
Create a
class.
class.
So I'm
I'm
going to
going to
create
create
a
a
class
class
named
named
as
as
encapsulation.
encapsulation.
Finish
Finish
it.
it.
So now
So
I'm
I'm
going to
going to
show
show
you
you
about
about
the
the
example
example
of
of
uh, a Java
Java
encapsulation.
encapsulation.
Let me
Let me
create a
create a
variable
variable
private
private
string
string name.
okay.
Okay.
This is
This
private
private
data.
data.
Okay.
Okay.
So next
Next
one is
is
I'm
I'm
going
going
to
to
create
create
another
another
um, private
private
variable.
variable.
It
It
is
is
private
private
int
int
age.
age.
This is
This is
also
also
private
private
data.
data.
So
So
next
next
I'm
I'm
going to
going to
create a
create a
method
method.
public
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 public method
methods
to
access
access
private
private
data.
data.
Okay. So
I'm
I'm
going
going to
to
create
create
another
another
method.
method.
This
This
is
is
called
called
okay.
okay.
This is
This
a
is a
great
great
example
example
of
of
encapsulation.
encapsulation.
I have
I
created
created
two
two
private
private
variables,
variables,
name
name
and
and
age,
age,
in
in
order
order
to
to
access
access
the methods
methods
to
to
access
access
private
private
data
data
is
is
public
public
get string
string
get
get
name
name
and
and
return
return
name.
name.
This is
This is
for
for
accessing the
accessing the
value.
value.
This is
This is
for
for
updating
updating
the
the
value.
value.
Public
Public
void
void
set
set
name
name
string
string
name.
name
This dot
dot
name
name
equal
equal
to
to
name.
name.
For
For
accessing,
accessing,
we
we
no
don't
need
need
to
to
pass
pass
any
any
parameters.
parameters.
So
So
I'm
I'm
going
going
to
to
return a
return a
name.
name.
So
So
I
I
have
have my
modifier
modifier. Um,
access. Sorry,
sorry,
I
I
have
am
mentioned the
mentioned the
data
data
type
type
as
as
string.
string.
Here
Here
I'm not
not
going
going
to
to
return
return
anything.
anything.
So
So
I'll
I
just
just
name
name
it
it
data
data
type.
type.
I
Let
let it.
it.
I
I
have
have
put the data
data
type
type
as
as
void.
void.
Here
Here
I
I
am
am
going
going
to
to
return
return
a
a
numeric
numeric
value.
value.
So
So I
the data
data
type
type
I
I
have
have
mentioned
mentioned
is
is
integer.
integer.
Here
Here
I am
I
going
want
to
to
set
set we are
going to
going to
set
set
the age.
age.
So
So
if
if
the age
age
is
is
greater
greater
than
than
0,
0,
so
so
it
it
will
will
validate
validate
this dot
that
age
age
equal
equal
to
to age.
age
Else
system
system
age. Age
age
must
must
be
be
positive
positive
if
if
the
the
age
age
is
is
less
less
than
than
negative.
negative.
Okay,
Okay.
this is
This
a
is a
great
great
example
example
for
for
encapsulation.
encapsulation.
Let me save
Save
it.
it
I'm
and
going to
going to
create
create
another
another
class.
class
This is for
for
inheritance.
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 Okay.
Okay.
Um, this is
This
a
is a
great
great
example
example
for
for
inheritance.
inheritance.
Um, what
Or
we
we
can
can
protected. Let's
let's
create
create
an
an
variable
variable
protected.
protected.
This is a
The
protected
protected
data.
data.
We'll create a
Create a
method
method
public
public
void
void
eat.
it.
Okay.
Okay.
So
So
eating
eating
simple method.
method.
So
So
next
next
I'm
we're
going to
going to
create
create
another
another
child
child
class
class
public
public
class
class
dog
dog extends
extends
inheritance,
inheritance,
and we
and we
put a
put a
name
name
it
it
called
called
public
public
void
void
var.
var.
This is
This
not
is not
under
under
the
the
method
method we have created.
we
We
have
have
created
created
two
two
methods.
methods.
Okay,
Okay.
so
So
here
here,
um,
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 create a
create a
main
main
method.
method.
So create
Create
a
a
main
main
method.
method.
So
So
let's
let's
run
run
this
this
program real
real
quick.
quick.
So
So
here
here
you
you
see
see
we
we
have
have
created
created
object for
for
inheritance
inheritance
class.
class.
Here
Here
we
we
have
have
created
created
another
another
object
object
for
for
the dog
dog
class,
class,
and
and
using
using
the
the
dog
dog
class
class
reference
reference,
we
we
put
put
name
name
for
for
the
the
private
private
variable,
variable,
sorry,
sorry,
protected
protected
variable
variable
called
called
Bucky.
Bucky.
Next
Next
we
we
are
are
calling
calling
the
the
private
private
class
class
heat
heat
method,
method,
and
and
then
then
we
we
called
called
the
the
child
child
class
class
two
two
methods.
methods.
Okay,
Okay.
this
This
is
is
examples
example
for
for
inheritance.
inheritance.
Next
Next
thing,
thing,
polymorphism.
polymorphism.
Polymorphism
Polymorphism. mm,
Polymorphism
Polymorphism
allows
allows
methods
methods to
to do
do
different
different
things
things
based
based
on
on
the
the
object
object
that
that
it
it
is
is
acting
acting
upon.
upon.
So
So
this is
it's
a
a
great
great
example
example
for.
for
So a
polymorphism
polymorphism
allows
allows
methods
methods
to.
to. So
So
say
say
for
for
example,
example,
polymorphism
polymorphism
allows
allows
methods
methods
to
to
do
do
different
different
things.
things.
Polymorphism
Polymorphism
allows
allows
methods
methods
to
to
do
do
different
different
things
things
based
based
on
on
the
the
object that
that
is
is
it
it
is
is
acting
acting
upon.
upon.
So
So
my
my
name
name
is
is
Surya.
Surya.
When
When
I
I
go
go
to
to
class,
class,
I am
I'm
acting
acting
like
like
a
a
student.
student.
My
My
name
name
is
is
Surya.
Surya.
When
When
I
I
go
go
to
to
my
my
home,
home,
I am
I'm
acting
acting
like
like
son
son
to
to
my
my
parents.
parents.
My
My
name
name
is
is
Surya.
Surya.
When
When
I
I
go
go
to
to
office,
office,
I'm
I'm
acting
acting
like
like
a
a
employer
employer
to my
in
office.
office.
This
This
is
is
polymorphism.
polymorphism.
Okay.
Okay.
Filter.
Filter.
It
It
can
can
be
be
achieved
achieved
through
through
method
method
overriding
overriding
and
and
method
method overloading.
method
Method
method overriding
overriding
means
means
when
when
a
a
subclass
subclass
provides a
provides a
specific
specific
implementation
implementation
of
of
a
a
method
method
that
that
is
is
already
already
defined
defined
in
in
its
its
superclass.
superclass.
Okay.
Okay.
Next,
Method
method overloading.
overloading.
It
It
means
means
method
method
overloading
overloading
means
means
when
when
multiple
multiple
methods
methods
have
have
the
the
same
same
name
name
but
but
different
different
parameters,
parameters,
type,
type,
number,
number,
or
or
both.
both.
It is
It's
called
called
method overloading.
overloading. To
Create
create
interface.
interface
Shape.
shape.
So I have created an interface called save.
Since
What it is going? Public type save must be defined in its own file.
some elements
Save.
save. Since
Since
I
I
have
have
GitHub
GitHub
open,
open,
right,
right,
it
it
is
is clearly showing
examples.
numbers.
So
So
try to, since I
I
have
have
GitHub
open,
open,
right,
it
it
is
is
guiding
guiding
me.
me.
So
So
I
I
have
have
created
created
an
an
interface
interface
called
called
animal.
animal.
In
In
it,
it,
I
I
have
have
one
one
method
method
called
called
void
void
sound.
sound.
This is
This
the abstract
abstract
method.
method.
Abstract
Abstract
method
method
means
means
without method, without
without
implementation.
implementation,
Creating a
creating a
method
method
is
is
called
called
only
only
showing
showing
the
the
necessary
necessary
details
details
is
is
called
called
abstract
abstract
method.
method.
So here
Here
I
I
have
have
created
created
a
a
class,
class,
name
name
it
it
as
as
dog,
dog,
and
and
I
I
have
have
implemented
implemented
the
the
animal
animal
interface.
interface.
In
In
that
that animal,
in
in
that
that
class,
class,
I
I
have
have
provided
provided
implementation
implementation
to
to
the
the
sound
sound.
method. Next,
Next,
I
I
have
have
created
created
another
another
class,
class,
name
named
it
as
as cat.
cat.
This
This
is
is also
also
implement
implements animal
animal
interface.
interface.
Similarly, I
I
have
have
created
created
one more
one more
method,
method,
public
public
make sound
sound
animal.
animal.
I
I
have
have
passed
passed
um, here
here
I
I
have
have
passed
passed
the
the
interface
interface
reference,
reference,
and
and
here
here
I
I
have
have
named
named
as
as
animal dog.
here
Here
I have
I'm calling
calling
the
the
sound
sound
method.
method.
Okay. So
Next,
next, I
I
have
have
created
created
a
a
main
main
method.
method.
Inside
Inside
the
the
main
main
method,
method,
I
I
have
have
created
created
an
a
object for the my
main
main class,
class,
and
and
here I
I
have
have
created
created
a
a
object
object
for
for
the
the
dog
default
class
class
by
by
using
using
the
the
interface
interface
reference.
reference.
Here also
Also,
I
I
have
have
used
used
interface
interface
reference.
reference.
Using
Using
that,
that,
I
I
have
have
created
created
a
a
cat class.
class.
Hereby,
Hereby
I'm calling
calling
the
the
methods. Okay, so this
this
is
is
the
the
great
great
example
examples
for
for polymorphism.
polymorphism. So
So
next,
next,
I'm
I'm
going
going
to
to
show
show
you
you
uh, abstraction.
abstraction.
Oh, so
Um,
let's
let's
create
create
a
a
method
method
abstract
abstract
void
void
dot engine.
engine.
Abstract
What
method
that
means
means
a
a
method
method
without
without
a
a
body
body
is
is
called
called
abstract
abstract
class.
class.
It will
Will
show
show you
only
only
the
the
necessary
necessary
titles.
titles.
So
So
I'm
I'm
going
going
to
to
create
create
another
another
method,
method
public
public
void
void
dot
top
engine.
engine. Top.
So this is a good example for a public abstract class. Okay. So next I am
I'm
going
going
to
to
tell
tell
about
about
Java
Java
collections
collections
framework.
framework.
So
So, so
next
next
thing
thing
is
is
Java
Java
collections
collections
framework.
framework.
So
So
the
the
collections
collections
framework
framework
is
is
one
one
of
of
next Java
Java
collections
collections
framework.
framework. Um,
The collections
collections
uh,
uh,
framework
framework
is
is
one
one
of
of
Java's
Java's most
powerful features.
features,
Okay.
and it
Provide
provides
ready
ready-made
data
data
structures
structures
that
that
are
are
optimized for
for
performance.
performance.
The
The
collection
collection
framework
framework
is
is
one
one
of
of
Java's
Java's
most
most
powerful
powerful
features.
features.
It
It
provides
provides
ready-made
ready-made
data
data
structures
structures
that
that
are
are
optimized
optimized
for
for
performance.
performance.
So
So
let's
let's
put
put
it.
it.
Let's start
Start
practicing
practicing
Java
Java
collections.
collections.
So
So
you
you see,
Java
Java
collections
collections
framework
framework
provides
provides a
a set
set
of
of
classes
classes
and
and
interfaces
interfaces
for
for
storing
storing,
and manipulating
manipulating group of
objects.
objects.
Java
Java collection
collection
framework
provides
provides
a
a
set
set
of
of
classes
classes
and
and
interfaces.
interfaces.
Java
Java
collections
collections
framework
framework
provides
provides
it
it
provides
provides
set
set
of
of
classes,
classes, simple
classes
classes
and
and
inbuilt
inbuilt
interface
interfaces
for
for
storing
storing
and
and
manipulating
manipulating
group
group
of
of
objects.
objects.
Next thing, it
It
includes
includes
data
data
structures
structures like
list,
list,
sets,
sets,
map,
map,
and
and
queues.
queues. It
In
includes
data
data
structures
structures
like
like
list,
list, sets,
maps,
maps,
and
and queues.
queues. And the main
Main
interfaces
interfaces
in
in
the
the
Java
Java
collections
collections
frameworks
frameworks
are
are
uh,
uh,
collection.
collection. This is the root
Interface
interface
in
in the
collection
collection
hierarchy.
hierarchy.
Collection
And
interface is the root interface. So
so
the
the
next
next one
interface
interface
is
is
list.
list.
It is an
List
list.
it
It maintain
maintain
the
the
insertion
insertion
order
order
and
and
allow
allow
duplicate
duplicate
elements.
elements.
List
List
is
is
an
an
ordered
ordered
collection
collection
also
and
known as sequence
sequence
that
that
allows
allows
duplicate
duplicate
elements.
elements.
List
List to
maintain
maintain
insertion
insertion
order
order
and
and
allow
allow
duplicate
duplicate
elements.
elements.
Okay. The next
Next
interface
interface
is
is
set.
set.
Set
Set
interface
interface
it
it
don't
don't
allow
allow
duplicate
duplicate
elements
elements
and
and
don't
don't
maintain
maintain
insertion
insertion
order.
order.
You see,
See,
a
a
collection
collection
that does not
not
allow
allow
duplicate
duplicate
elements.
elements.
Next
Next
one
one
is
is
map
map
interface.
interface.
Map
Map
interface
interface
stores
stores
key
key
value
value
pairs
pairs
and
and
don't
don't
allow
allow
any
any
duplicates.
duplicates.
A
A
collection
collection
that
that
maps
maps
key
key
to
to
values
values
where
where
each
each
key
key
is
is
unique.
unique.
Okay,
Okay,
map
map
interface
interface
it is
is
a
a
collection
collection
that
that
maps
maps
keys
keys
to
to
the
the
values.
values.
Say for
For
example,
example,
key
key
is
is
1
1
and
and
the
the
value
value
is
is
Surya.
Surya.
Key
Key
is
is
2
2
and
and
the
the
value
value
is
is
money.
money.
Key
Key
is
is
3
3
and
and
the
the
value
value
is
is
Revati.
Revati.
So
So
by
by
using
using
the
the
key
key,
we
we
can
can
access
access
the
the
value.
values.
So
So
where
where
each
each
key
key
is
is
unique.
unique.
Next
Next
interface
interface
is
is
queue
queue
interface.
interface.
It
It
is
is
a
a
collection
collection
interface
interface
that
that
represents
represents
the
the
sequence
sequence
of
of
elements
elements
that
that
is
is
typically
typically
used
used
for
for
holding
holding
elements
elements
prior
prior
to
to
processing.
processing.
So the
The
main
main
classes
classes
in
in
the
the
Java
Java
collections
collections
framework
framework
are
are
there are certain
certain
main
main
classes
classes
in
in
the
the
Java
Java
collections
collections
framework
framework
that
that
are
are
the first
first
one
one
is
is
ArrayList.
ArrayList.
It is
It's
a
a
class,
class,
a
a
resizable
resizable
array
array
implementation
implementation
of
of
the
the
list
list
interface,
interface,
a
a
resizable
resizable
array
array
implementation.
implementation,
It is the
the
implementation
implementation
class
class
of
of
the
the
list
list
interface.
interface.
The next
Next
in class
class
is
is
linked
linked
list.
list.
It
It
is
is
a
a
doubly
doubly
linked
linked
list
list
implementation
implementation
of
of
the
the
list
list
interface.
interface.
This
This
is
is
also
also
implementation
implementation
of
of
the
the
list
list
interface.
interface.
The
The
next
next
one
one
is
is
hash
hash
set.
set.
It
It
is
is
a
a
hash
hash
table
table
implementation
implementation
of
of
the
the
set
set
interface.
interface.
Okay.
Okay.
Next
Next
class
class
is
is
treat
treat
set.
it.
It
It
is
is
stored
stored
a
a
shorter
shorter
set
set
implementation
implementation
of
of
the
the
set
set
interface.
interface.
This
This
is
is
implementation
implementation
of
of
the
the
set
set
interface.
interface.
A
A
sorted
sorted
set.
set. The
Implementation
implementation
is
is
sorted
sorted.
set.
Is
Is HashMap,
HashMap,
a
a
hash
hash
table
table
implementation
implementation
of
of
the
the
map
map
interface.
interface.
Next
Next
one
one
is
is
tree map,
map.
a
A
stored
stored
map
map
implementation
implementation
of
of
the
the
map
map
interface.
interface.
The Java
Java
Collections
collections
framework
framework
provides
provides
algorithms
algorithms
for
for
sorting,
sorting,
searching,
searching,
and
and
manipulating
manipulating
collections.
collections.
Java
Java
Collection
collection frameworks
frameworks provides
provides
algorithms
algorithms
for
for
sorting,
sorting,
searching,
searching,
and
and
manipulating
manipulating
collections.
collections. Okay.
Next, it
It
also
also
provides
provides
some
some
utility
utility
method
method
for
for
converting
converting
arrays
arrays
to a
to a
collections
collections
and
and
vice
vice
versa.
versa.
Next
Next
one
one
is
is
example
example
of
of
using
using
ArrayList.
ArrayList.
Import
Import java.util.arraylist. We need to
import
import
this
this
one.
one.
Next is
Next is import
java.util.list.
java.util.list.
Next,
Next,
import
import java.util.collections.
java.util.collections. Next, import
Import java.util.hashmap.
java.util.hashmap. Next,
Next,
import
import
java.util.hashmap.
java.util.hashmap.
We
We
need
need
to
to
import
import
it
it
outside the
this
class.
class.
Okay? Next,
Next,
import
import
java.util.set.
java.util.set.
Next, import
Import java.util.hashset.
java.util.hashset. Next,
Next,
import
import
java.util.treeset.
java.util.treeset.
Next,
Next,
import
import
java.util.treemap.
java.util.treemap.
Next, import
Import
java.util.linked
java.util.linked
list.
list.
Import
Import java.util.queue.
java.util.queue. Import
Import
java.
java.
So the
The
next
next
one
one
is
is here.
example
Example
of
of using
public void
public
example
example
array
array
list.
list.
This
This
is
is
a
a
great
great
example
example
for
for
array
array
list.
list.
Next one
One
is
is
example
example
of
of
using
using
hash
hash
rate.
rate.
The great
Great
example
example
for
for
hash
hash
rate.
rate.
You see,
See,
the reference
reference
is
is
list
list
interface
interface
reference.
reference.
I am creating
Creating
object
object
of
of
array
array
list
list.
and storing
Storing
values
values
in
in
it
it
by
by
using
using
the
the
add
add
method.
method.
Anything
Anything
comes
comes
with
with
double
double
parenthesis
parenthesis
is called
called
a
a
method.
method.
List
List
dot
dot
add
add
is
is
the
the
method.
method.
So
So
we
we
are
are
adding
adding
some
some
values
values
in
in
the
the
array
array
list
list
called
called
listed.
listed.
This is
This is
the
the
name
name
of
of
the
the
array
array.
list. Next,
Next,
hash set
asset
it
it
is
is
implementing
implementing
the
the
set
set
interface.
interface.
So
So
we
we
by
by
using
using
the
the
set
set
interface
interface
reference,
reference,
we
we
are
are
creating
creating
a
a
set
set
object
object
and
and
adding
adding
some
some
values
values
in
in
it.
it.
Okay.
Okay.
Next,
Next,
example
example
of
of
using
using
this
each
set.
set.
This set
Set
also
also
implementing
implementing
the
the
set
set
interface.
interface.
Next,
Next,
example
example
of
of
using
using
HashMap.
HashMap.
HashMap
HashMap
it
it
is
is
implementing
implementing
map
map
interface.
interface.
So it
It
is
is
as I
assignment.
mentioned, it
It
is
is
a
a
key
key
value
value
pair.
pair.
You
You
see,
see,
string
string
is
is
the
the
value,
value.
integer
Integer
is
is
the
the
key
key.
created
Created
by
by
HashMap
HashMap
object,
object.
and we are
We are
putting
putting
some
some
values
values
in
in
the
the
HashMap
HashMap
object.
object.
Okay.
Okay.
Next
Next
example
example
of
of
using
using
tree
tree
map.
map.
It is also
Also,
map.
in
Map
map
it
it
is
is
always
always
key value
value.
pair. So that's
That's
why
why
we
we
are
are
seeing
seeing two
value string and
initial.
integer. Okay. Example
Example
of
of
using
using
linked
linked
list
list
as
as
a
a queue.
linked
Linked
list
list
extends
extends
queue.
queue.
Sorry, linked list
List
implements
implements
queue.
queue.
The example
Example
of
of
using
using
collections
collections
utility
utility method.
methods. So
So
many
many.
methods. You see, a
List
list
we are
using
using
the
the
array
array
list.
list.
We add another
The
three
three
values.
values
Array
array
list.
list
Where
where
is
it's
array list?
we
We put it
put
name
name
it
it
as
as
list.
list.
Here also
Also
we
we
have
have
created
created
another
another
method in that
that
we
we
put
put
collections dot sort list
collections
dot
dot
list.
list.
This
It
is
is
the
the
creating
creating
a
a
calling
calling
the
a
method.
method.
Okay, calling
Calling
the
the
method
method
to
to
showcase
showcase
showing
the
the output
output
of the
of
collections
collections
framework.
framework.
Let me run this code.
Code
This is the output.
Output.
We
We
got
got
the
the
output.
output.
Really
Really
nice, right?
nice.
Guys,
Guys,
this is just
this is
just
just
so I just
just
not
not
covered
covered
our
our
theme.
theme,
So Java
Java
hooks
hooks
and
and
collections
collections
framework.
framework.
So
So
next
next
session
session
I'm
I'm
going
going
to
to
cover
cover
about
about
the
the
Spring
Spring
Boot
Boot
project.
project.
That's
That's
about
about
for
for
now.
now.
Thank
Thank
you
you
for
for
watching
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 this
this recording.
recording.
Bye.
Bye.